Hogitpe Bee Venom Cream Review. Is it legit or a scam product? So Hogitpe Bee Venom Cream Review is a one way of the many sold as topical treatment using the bee venom, claiming to help with skin issues such as warts, spots, irritations, and providing moisturizing benefits. Like many bee venom products, it is marketed through the various online platforms with the bold claims and glowing reviews. Now let's talk about the pros. It can be moisturizing and hydrating with a quick absorption into the skin, often praised for its smooth texture and the lightweight feel. Some customers report improved skin textures and softening of the warts or the minor visual and visible improvements. There are also some serves as a pleasant cosmetic moisturizer for those looking for novelty or natural textured cream even if not treating the skin conditions. Although there may be some cons to consider. It lacks the scientific backing for the stated claims, like the spot removal or scar fading. There are also some mixed user experiences and reports overall, the irritation and the burning sensations. There are also some overhyped marketing around the bee venom cream, which is very common, and there might be potential for the allergic reactions. So overall, it may function as a basic moisturizer with a unique texture, but its bold claims of fixing warts, scars, or discolorations are unsupported by reliable evidence.